One bright morning, everyone in Sunnyvale looked up and gasped. The sky had a giant red nose. "Oh," said Benny the bird. "The sky looks like it has a cold." The clouds wobbled and made a funny sniff-sniff sound. Then, "A-A-A-H-C-H-O-O-O-O." The sky sneezed so loudly that all the clouds flew away like cotton candy balls. Rain splashed down everywhere. Umbrellas turned inside out. And Benny got blown right into Mrs. Cow's haystack. "Bless you, sky," shouted Mrs. Cow. Moosey H appreciated. The sun peeked out, giggling behind a cloud. "Sorry, everyone," said the sun. He sneezed because someone cooked too much pepper down there. Everyone looked around. Sure enough, Chef Pig was cooking pepper soup in his garden. "Oh, oops," said Chef Pig. "I didn't know smells could fly that high." The next day, everyone helped the sky feel better. They blew bubbles to make new fluffy clouds, painted a rainbow for medicine, and sang a song called "Don't Sneeze, Mr. Sky." The sky laughed a big, booming ho-ho-ho, and promised, "I'll try not to sneeze again, unless someone makes chili."